We're talking to Tony Garcia. He's a Porsche expert and owner of Autobahn Interiors in San Diego, California. Tell us a little bit about this project, Tony.
Yes, we got this project to do a complete interior on this beautiful 993. We're going to do a complete black leather interior with a psychedelic German material, which is a 928. We're going to have to take all the components out to pretty much get it ready to go to the paint shop with Sacio Enterprises. So we're going to do everything. Okay, now that we got the car back, we're starting to do the dash, and then we work our way down to do the door panels, armrests with the French seat, and it's got this psychedelic material on the door inserts, as well as the German square weave carpet at the bottom pocket. Kind of a retro look to make the car more interesting. It's got a contrast stitching in blue, as well as the door top. It follows the upper line beautifully with the French seat. As well as the steering wheel, we put new leather on the steering wheel. We recover the knee dash and all the components like the console, rear seats, garnish rails, door tops, door pockets. Once we finish the car, the combination that we use with blue and black psychedelic material, it kind of transferred the beauty of the paint on the inside of the car. When we finish, everything just looks amazing. The car came out absolutely beautiful. This is one of the nicest projects we've done on the 993, and Mr. Lauber should be very happy with the car because everything came out just like it's supposed to. Perfect.